Welcome to eLINK by Hollander. The following video will demonstrate how to fix your flagged items listed under "You've provided an invalid payment policy." This process can also be used to fix flagged error codes such as "You've provided an invalid shipping," "You've provided an invalid return policy," and "Payment policy is required." Let's begin. From your eLINK dashboard, select the Flagged tab. Select Show Filters. Click the drop-down titled eBay Error Code. For this demonstration, we will select the option, "You've provided an invalid shipping." As detailed earlier, if you have any of the previously discussed flags, such as "You've provided an invalid payment policy," or "You've provided an invalid return policy," simply click this drop-down to select those options. Then click Apply. All parts displaying error codes should populate. Select the individual part type you would like to change by clicking the checkbox. Click Edit Listing. Click the drop-down Business Policies. Scroll down until you see Payment and Return. Under Payment Presets, select which policy you would like to populate. Select Save and List as New. Please note, if you would like to bulk change multiple part types with the same policies, click the part type sorting filter labeled PT. Select multiple of the same part type numbers. Click Bulk Change to update the following part types. Under Action, select Change To, and under Value, you should have the ability to select the policy you would like to use for the specific part types. Click Update. Then select List. The reason for this is that you are not selecting all part types with different policy information. If the flagged error code persists, you can list as new per individual item. Please verify that the section Payment Presets is populated, or contact your eBay Growth Advisor for assistance in resolving the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching.